Hey everyone, on my day off in Japan, I went to the Toto manufacturing plant to find out all about Toto and its history, and I actually went to their museum and I learned all kinds of cool stuff like this. Akers here reporting from the Toto Museum in Kyushu, Japan. And you know what I just found out? The very first washlet was not invented by the Japanese. It was invented by the Americans. And the problem with it was they used it for hemorrhoid treatment. But the Americans couldn't get the water temperature right. So it was either burning you or freezing you. Then they couldn't get the angle right. So it was either shooting out the front or getting in the back. They just couldn't get it straight. The Americans couldn't get the precision down, but the Japanese, they got it right. And there's the first washlet. Then I took a quick stroll down memory lane to learn all about washlets, urinals, toilets, and everything about Toto's history. They made everything you could imagine, and we connected with the curator of the museum, and I asked him, what's the best part? And he said, the history, about the founders, and about the past presidents and their philosophy, and he told me all about them. Here he is.
Contribution to the society. So he didn't care about his personal thing, earning money. He was not interested in that at all. His only concentration was contribution to the society.
And I noticed this right here. It says, even now we pursue quality and uniformity. This company was born from the will to improve Japan's standard of living and contribution to building our nation. That was the ambition of Toto.
This was the letter from the first president to the second president. This was the key. Supply quality products and satisfying our customers. Do not ever chase the profit. The fifth generation, very strict on quality. So even though you make 1,000, if you have one defect, then the customer who bought that defect, for the person is 100% defect. So when he was a president, he created this motto. So for me, even as an employee, this is always in my head.
But of course, just in case you can't make it to the nearest rest stop, you've always got this as an option. But remember, always leave a roll of toilet paper for the next guy. I am at the world famous Toto, and I'm sumo wrestler, toilet, big, little man, big man. Then, at the end of the factory tour, they let me take on a $6,000 toilet. Can you believe this? So I want everyone to know I'm sitting on a $6,000 toilet. Toto, no, I won't give you that view. Anyways. Toto, you did a pretty good job, man. Not bad. Now, I want to tell you one other thing about these toilets that's amazing. It's this button right here. This is the position button, and as you press, blow dryer. Woo! Toto, you rock, man. And one last thing, sometimes these toilets can be a little confusing. You don't know what button to push. So if you're not sure, I just take my hand and I just rub it across every one of them, and it's like a joyride in an amusement park, baby. Flushing! There are so many fun, exciting things to do on the Japan study mission. Come to Japan.